Hey, gearheads! Today, we'll talk about the top 10 signs of a bad transmission. Knowing these signs can help you avoid expensive repairs. Let's dive in. Here are the top 10 signs your transmission might be in trouble. Strange noises, grinding, whining, humming, or buzzing sounds could indicate a failing transmission. These noises can come from worn gears, a bad torque converter, or transmission mount issues. Check engine light. A blinking or illuminated check engine light might mean transmission problems. This could be due to a faulty transmission temperature sender or loose wiring. Gear grinding. The grinding gears can happen when your wheels and engine speeds don't match. Your gearbox needs to synchronize these speeds for smooth gear changes. Fluid leaks. Leaks can come from damaged gaskets, seals, or cracks in the transmission case. These leaks can seriously harm your transmission. Burning smell. A burning smell while driving could mean too much friction in your transmission, which can cause damage over time. Sluggish gear shifting. If your gears feel slow or sticky, your transmission might be failing. This can be caused by low fluid levels, a damaged torque converter, or clutch issues. Noise in neutral. Noise while in neutral could indicate a worn input shaft bearing, causing grinding or whining sounds. Slipping gears. Gears slipping during acceleration might be due to low fluid levels, worn clutch plates, or damaged synchronizers. Dragging clutch. A dragging clutch can make your engine struggle to match your wheel's speed, leading to transmission problems. Wear and tear on clutch parts is the most common cause. Won't go into gear. If your car won't go into gear, it could be due to low fluid levels, a problem with the torque converter, or a dirty transmission filter. Driving with a bad transmission is risky. It can cause poor performance, more wear and tear, and even lead to accidents. If you suspect a transmission issue, get it checked as soon as possible. If you have transmission problems, first check the fluid level and top it off if needed. If the problem continues, consult a mechanic for transmission service or replacement. Call a mechanic if you notice issues like lurching when shifting gears, gears slipping, or unusual noises from your engine. Fixing a bad transmission can be expensive, ranging from a few $1,000s for minor repairs to over $8,000 for a complete replacement. To maintain your transmission, check fluid levels regularly. Pay attention to strange noises. Don't overload your car. Be gentle with your gear. Downshift before going up hills. Stop completely before shifting to the park. Change automatic transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Avoid overusing your car's overdrive feature. That's it for today's episode of Axlewise. Don't forget to subscribe and keep revving those engines.